Hi, friends! Welcome to Word Wonders. My name is Adi, and together we'll learn how to pronounce. We'll learn 5 words today. Yay! I am excited! Are you? Come, let's meet our chef, Miss Sugar, in the kitchen. Hello, Miss Sugar! Today, me and my friends want to learn to pronounce few kitchen items.
Hi, Addie and friends. Sure, why not? Let's get to it. Guess what this is? Correct! This is called cutlery. Let's learn cutlery. Say it slowly with me. Cut-la-ry. Now faster. Cutlery. Cutlery includes spoons, forks, and knives. Tools to help us eat our meals. So, friends, do you know what is this? Correct. This is called butter dish. Let's break down butter dish. Say it slowly. Bu-ter-dish. Now faster. Butter dish. A butter dish keeps butter fresh and ready to spread on bread or toast. Correct. So, friends, do you know what is this? Correct. This is called pizza cutter. Let's say it slowly. Pizza cutter. Now say it faster. Pizza cutter. A pizza cutter slices through pizza easily, making perfect pieces to share. So, friends, do you know what is this? This is called kitchen pincers. Now, let's learn kitchen pincers. Say it with me slowly. Kitchen pincers. Now say it faster. Kitchen pincers. Kitchen pincers are used to hold or grab small items or hold and cold utensils. So, friends, do you know what is this? Correct. This is called tong. Let's say the word tong slowly. Tong. Now faster. Tong. Tongs are used to pick up hot or slippery food, like toast or salad.
So, friends, today we learned to pronounce 5 kitchen items. See you in the next class for more words. Please, like and subscribe to keep learning.